Are you thinking about moving overseas from Los Angeles? If so, you're not alone. For many Angelinos, the dream of living abroad is no longer just a fantasy, it's becoming a reality. With the rising living costs here at home and the ability to work remotely and the growing hunger for cultural adventure, more people are trading their LA lifestyle for a new one, a new life overseas. From Venice Beach to Valencia, Santa Monica to Sydney, people are making the leap. Maybe you're a young professional who wants to work remotely from somewhere with a lower cost of living. Or maybe you're a retiree chasing Mediterranean sunsets and better health care. Or maybe you're a family looking to give your kids a global education. Or maybe just starting over in a fresh place that better matches your values. Whatever your reason, the opportunity is right in front of you, and it all begins right here in Los Angeles. At SDC International Shipping, we've helped thousands of people move from LA to countries all over the world. We know the ports, we know the neighborhoods, we know the challenges that come with moving out of Southern California, and we understand how to turn your international move into a smooth and confident experience. Of course, deciding to move overseas is just the beginning. The real challenge, finding the right moving company to get you there. And here's something a lot of people don't realize until they're knee-deep in boxes. Moving internationally is not the same as moving across town or even across the country. A lot of companies in LA say they offer international moving services, but what they really offer is a domestic move and then a handoff to a freight broker. And this means poor communication, no real tracking, and zero coordination when your shipment lands in another country. You deserve better than that. When you're moving your life, not just your furniture, you need a partner who understands your local community as well as your global destination. That's exactly what we bring to the table at SDC International Shipping. And here's where things get really interesting. Because Los Angeles presents its own unique set of challenges when it comes to international moving, when you get right down to it, LA is huge. And it comes with some serious logistical hurdles, complex zoning, dense traffic, tricky parking situations, and unique access issues. Let me give you a quick example. If you're moving from a West Hollywood apartment, expect strict parking rules. Maybe a Beverly Hills estate, you'll be working around building manager schedules possibly. Or if you're moving from a bungalow in Santa Monica, good luck squeezing a truck down those narrow streets. At SDC, we've already seen it all, and more importantly, we've planned for it all. Because we're based in LA, we can send our teams right to your home for packing, surveys, and loading. No third-party guessing and no confusion. And it's not just the local expertise that matters. International moving is an entirely unique ballgame than domestic relocation. International moving isn't just a longer move. It's a completely different industry, and you want someone who actually knows it. Here at SDC, we're fully licensed by the Federal Maritime Commission, which means we're legally authorized to ship household goods overseas. Not every mover can say that. We understand customs regulations, export paperwork, shipping insurance, container transport, you name it. And we have a trusted destination partner network, so your shipment is coordinated on both ends, not just dumped at a port and forgotten. Here's a great question to ask any moving company that you're considering. Can you walk me through the entire door-to-door process, including what happens after my shipment leaves LA? If they can't give you a confident step-by-step answer, keep looking, because that's what we specialize in. So what does this process actually look like from start to finish? Let me walk you through it. First, we'll schedule a virtual or in-home survey to estimate your volume and packing needs. After that, you'll get a detailed written quote, clearly explaining shipping options, timelines, insurance, and what's included. Then, our local LA team comes to your home to pack, label, and even custom crate your high-value items. We use international-grade materials, double-walled boxes, stretch wrap, moisture protection, everything. Your shipment is loaded into a container and transported to the Port of Los Angeles or Long Beach. and we handle the scheduling, the paperwork, and the logistics. And while it's on the ocean, we track your shipment, we prepare customs documentation in advance, and when it arrives overseas, we coordinate final delivery, unpack your furniture, remove debris so you don't have to. And here's a nice bonus. Shipping from LA gives you faster access to routes in Asia, Australia, and some parts of Europe, cutting days off of your delivery time. Now, let's talk about something that often trips people up, and that's customs and paperwork. Don't worry, we have you covered. Customs is one of the most important and misunderstood parts of any international move. If your paperwork is off, your shipment could be delayed, fined, or even held indefinitely. First, you'll need a complete inventory of all household goods that you're shipping. We help you create this list as we pack names, quantities, categories, estimated values. We leave nothing out. Nothing's left to chance. And then we guide you through the customs forms for your destination country. Every destination country has its own requirements. That might include a transfer of residency documents, visa permits, passport copies, or proof of address. We'll also advise you on what's allowed and what's not. For example, many countries restrict alcohol, flammables, perishables, plants, and some medications. And always keep your most important items with you. That includes passports, jewelry, bank documents, medications, and personal devices. Don't put those in a container. Many customs delays are caused by missing or inaccurate documents, not damaged shipments, and that's why we double-check everything before it goes. Once the paperwork is in order, the next priority is protecting your belongings through every step of the journey. We take packing seriously because your things are about to travel thousands of miles over oceans, through ports, and into customs inspections. Los Angeles is our home base, and international moving is what we do. Our teams live and work in LA. We know the rules, we know the routes, and the quirks of every neighborhood. We've helped people move from LA to London, Tokyo, Sydney, Berlin, Mexico City, and dozens more cities across 5 continents. We're not a broker. We don't hand off your move to someone else. We handle the entire relocation process, the packing, the shipping, the customs, and the delivery. If you need storage, we have that too. Secure, climate-controlled options here in LA and overseas. Our quotes are clear, our pricing is transparent, and our service is designed to make your life easier. At the end of the day, moving overseas is a big decision, but it doesn't have to be overwhelming. Here's what to remember as you take your next step. With SDC International Shipping, you'll get the best of both worlds, local knowledge and global expertise. So whether you're relocating for work, retiring abroad, or just starting a new chapter, you deserve a moving partner who treats your move like it matters, because it does. You bring the vision, we'll bring the plan, the packing and the paperwork, and the worldwide network to get you there. So, are you ready to take the next step towards your new life abroad? Request your free international moving quote today, and let SDC International Shipping help you move forward from Los Angeles to the world.